Alright, so Chris took the caps off his exhaust apparently. Fail?
Fail. Don't want to run.
Oh, that's why I don't want to run. Right there. Oh, I'm sorry.
Wow, really?
Oh, come on, you got it. Instant camshaft? What the hell is that?
How long you had it?
About 3 years.
Mind me asking what you paid for it? Judge your own attorney.
Little 4-speed car.
Yeah, I will. I definitely call you. All right, sounds good.
This thing's nice.
No, we did. Yeah, I didn't want it. My wife wanted it. I wanted 69. Fender wells were cut out. That's just.
I do like 70s, but it's not my favorite.
For him, he'll take a 70. 4-speed, 69. We had some options. Had AC power steering, power brakes, electric windows, electric power steering. Didn't have the rally package. Gauges.
That's a cool engine color. He hates it. I think it's cool.
And I'll tell you what, a lot of people have asked me that. This thing's
Super beaming. Oh, I like the 69 Roadrunner.
Becky who?
Harry, you'll remember this car.
Wide open.
You'll remember this. This is a good inside joke. And it's got a 350. It's got number 6 heads like we do.
Oh, it's like, what's his name? Jay's.
4-speed though.
Yeah.
Well, this is a Cutlass.
Okay.
It's got a clock. Yeah, it's got a clock in the dash.
It's working too.
And a 70 is superior to the 1s and 2s, I'm telling you. And the 1s and 2s are more common. I want to look at this green Roadrunner. 68s are cool, but I think the 69 is the best out of that body style.
I also took a 71, 72.
I like the taillights on the 69 better also. You're fine. Don't worry about it. 10,000 other people walk in front of the camera. I'm used to it.
Yeah, I try to have respect.
Appreciate it though.
That's what Carolyn had on her 68. She was like convertible.
4-speed car.
Tall shifter. Yeah.
Yeah, I'd take one of these in a heartbeat. I just have to put the, you know, the chrome molding on this window where it belongs.
It's got factory tack in the dash.
This?
Yeah.
I'll check it out in a second. Yeah, there's a 69 tail end versus a 68. You see the taillights and trunk looks different. 69, 68. Got the Mopar corner over here.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Oh yeah, it does have a tag.
It's rare to find a column shifter Roadrunner.
See, Keystones work really good on these cars. I'm telling you, I think Keystone is a Chrysler aftermarket wheel.
Could be.
Kragers look better on GMs. I didn't know they did a valley pan like Pontiac on these.
And couldn't tell you.
Well, no, look, they have the intake sits up here and then it's got a pan under it.
Yeah. I don't remember seeing it that way.
Maybe it's a special kind of intake. I'll have to ask Jed.
Not running any
Look, he's got one of the dual ballast resistors, but why is there a bunch of stuff plugged into it?
I have to investigate to the wiring.
That's a cool looking car.
It's a clarinet.
Big black car. And it's a 4-speed car. Yeah, this thing's cool.
There you go.
And look, the back windows go down all the way.
Yeah, yeah, that's nice. So the others are kind of.
Alright, that's not a bad looking Ford. Look at the Suburban over there.
You gotta run to the car, get my fire extinguisher, put your fire out. What do you got under the hood?
Small box.
Oh, it sounds like it's coming up.
Yeah, I'll give it some air.
There you go. That's let it breathe. That's right. Yeah. I'm a 60.
I saw one here yesterday.
86. See, I like the way this Chevelle's done. Yeah, I like Paul's cars. Those are probably the two I've ever seen that I actually really like. Four-speed?
No.
That is cooler looking than our car.
No way.
It's
Look
more
at this.
classic.
Look at this weird back window.
I'm just saying overall, it's a more classic beach car. Look at it.
Well, yeah, I mean, beach car.
Yeah, it's a classic wagon. Ours is just an 80s piece of shit.
Ours is Griswold.
That is a good view though.
Matches the color of the sky.
I like his Roadrunner 68.
Yeah, it's 68. like the grill style.
Too good.
Yeah, get in the picture.
Oh, this is the color I like too. See how that red goes against that black? This would look hot on my Trans Am if I painted, instead of my Trans Am being white and black, or it'd be red and black. This would be hot.
That's why I paint the bolts on the motor black.
Look at the Roadrunner.
Everything's chopped on.
There we go. Step to your left. Ooh, I like the wheels on this. Talk about a deep dish. That's nice. They should all come like that. Ooh, it's got Trans Am style steering wheel in it. 4-speed car.
Yeah, but the logo's upside down on it.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
I gotta just pull it off and flip it the right way.
Maybe the steering wheel's on upside down. That's cool. I think it's cool. It centers the driver. That's a cool looking dashboard.
Yeah, it looks like an AMC. No cab.
What the hell do you need a clock in a station wagon for?
Any car. This one's nice. This is nice. I like the representative.
Oh yeah, power window car.
Console shifter. Look, it's got tack down below on the console.
Yeah.
Which is not safe for your eyes on the road. That's nice. Big time, actually. Almost a dirty car. You do some serious crushing with that car.
And it's a convertible.
Yeah, that's really nice. Dustbuster. I doubt.
Throw it back.
It's got a clock in it. It's a Supreme. Oh, it's got cruise control?
Yeah, so you switch up the next to the top.
Yeah.
Or do you neg down on the tilt wheel and electric windows?
Coming through.
Needs stripes on the hood.
You good?
I was one yesterday, I saw. At the restaurant.
It's got C heads on it.
So it's good?
Well, yeah, they're the same 455 heads we have.
Oh, okay. So it's got the red feather tubs. These batteries sitting normal.
Yeah, the other one threw me off.
Yeah, but this one's sitting normally.
Yeah.
The tray was tipped on the other one.
I saw it.
That would be colored on the end.
What's the matter? It's an engine. It's a 4-speed.
Yeah, that is one I saw yesterday.
This one's got a clock in it.
Yeah.
See, I
told you to get out of the car and look at it.
well, I figured I'd see it around.
Polished off.
That I wouldn't wear out. It's getting a lot of attraction.
Well, I don't think it's a Fury. We'll see the front end in a second.
No.
It's got the wrong dash to be a
It's a
Fury.
clarinet. It's got the ugly dash. See, it's a clarinet.
Oh yeah. I don't know about that front end. It just looks like something Ford would have done.
Yeah.
It's got a Ford look on its face. I got.
This one's nice. This one's nice. That's the cleaner one. Parked here yesterday.
This one's got a lot of fuckery on the dashboard for switches. What is all that?
Well, I'm 68. That's
The
why.
68 uses different climate control.
Yeah. That's why I don't want to use 68 dash. The spare one I got in the storage unit.
Why you have to change a bunch of stuff over.
It's, well, no, I mean.
That's cool.
It's got the wrong rearview mirror on.
It's custom. It's got the moldings on the side. I think they look wrong without the moldings on the side.
Yeah. Gotta rub some of that orange peel out of it.
No design to the seat at all.
Huh?
There's no design to the seat.
No, it's like a taxi.
Is this the same color blue that was on that Fury we had?
Yeah.
I think it looks all right.
Yeah.
I like that color.
Look how it shines.
It doesn't shine. It shines, but it's
Exactly.
bright.
It shines.
But look, it's a bright color. It catches your attention.
Oh yeah. That's 65 Teldo dash.
Yeah, right there.
Right here. Cow. Gotcha.
It's got the flapper hood. See, this is a spoiler I like.
That's the one that belongs on.
They should have put this on the 69 Judge. I don't like that rainbow spoiler they put on those.
That's pretty right on the 69. What is it on?
Yeah, if I bought a 69 GTO, that's what I'd do. I'd rip the rainbow spoiler off and put one of these surfboards on.
There's that thing with crystal type with that chalk. You write whatever you want on it. Yeah.
We'll look at this GTO a little bit. I like vinyl tops.
Huh?
So I like vinyl tops.
Well, it makes a huge difference on the appearance of the car.
It's a 4-speed.
There you go.
Now you just got to change the front fenders and front bumper and put a 70 nose on it.
The hood scoops on the 71 because you know what? You got real hood scoops.
Oh,
And they're right where they belong when they can function if you had it as a Ram Air.
well, yeah, but I don't know. I just don't. I like the 75 better.
Did it not come out for a reason?
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, look at 69.
I like this color red.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Get this color red paint on the engine. Let's give it a spray job.
Your engine will look fine. I don't feel like painting those heads or anything again.
Oh, it's out of the car. Should win some shows.
A lot of chrome though.
Yeah, but if you keep it clean like this,
I can't be the only one that thinks chrome looks tacky when you do everything in it. The booster, the master, the valve covers, the alternator, the braces, the radiator cover.
do the master with the cover and the hood.
Look, the hood latch too.
Yeah, the hood support and the braces, they should be chrome.
It's a nice car, but
Yeah.
too much chrome. I like the color a lot though. I really like.
76.
Well, it's got 78 bumpers on it.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what?
It's got an 81 dash in it.
Well, then it's an 81. It just says 76.
Oh. Yeah, that's exactly what
We did that with our wagon.
it is. That's exactly what it is.
You're not supposed to bring cars in here that are newer than 76. Everybody just says this.
79 or 80.
81 dash.
My buddy Dave the same way. Yeah. That's the same as my 79 too.
Yeah, the 78 was different.
Look at the Riviera. 68 or 69. That's a cool car to have. All the way from Florida? Jesus.
I doubt it.
I like these things. This thing is long.
It's a barge. Mondo.
Oh, I cannot buy a car this size today.
Yes, it has. It's all
Back up.
What's it?
Back up. Walk behind the camera, not in front of it.